Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you lawn enthusiasts out there. Get ready to tackle those unruly weeds and overgrown brush with ease. Introducing the PLUMIA 10-inch carbon steel brush cutter weed eater blades. These blades aren't just your average weed trimmer blades, they're the best in the business. With a rugged carbon steel construction and 3 sharp teeth, they're designed to chew through anything in their path, from thick brush to stubborn saplings. Let's talk features. Each set comes with everything you need for easy installation. A thrust washer, rider plate, collar nut, screwdriver, L-wrenches, and AT wrench. Plus, with a universal adapter attachment, they're compatible with a wide range of trimmers, including models from top brands like Husqvarna, Stihl, and Ego. See? Real people, real results. But hey, we're all about honesty here. Some customers mentioned concerns about durability and thickness. But with proper care and usage, these blades will keep your lawn looking pristine for years to come. So, if you're ready to take your lawn care game to the next level, look no further than the PLUMIA carbon steel brush cutter weed eater blades. Click the link in the description to get yours today and say goodbye to overgrown messes for good. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy trimming.